Riding technical terrain can be intimidating to say the least. So it comes in many different forms and many different approaches and strategies of how to handle technical terrain. So the first thing you want to do is find your go-to position, a position that you're comfortable in and that you always know that's your first point of call whenever you're approaching any sort of technical terrain. What you do is you get to this position and then you start making adjustments from there. Riding technical terrain is often unpredictable. So the first thing you want to do is assume a position, an attack position, something that you're ready to attack the trail. Your first point of call with the technical riding position, and most technical riding, is to get your chest down. This gets you into what we call the attack position. This allows you to get your weight down, distribute your weight nice and evenly between your wheels, and ready to navigate whatever's coming up in front of you. In this position, you also want to have your legs carrying the majority of your mass so that it allows easy control of the handlebars. This allows you also to sway the bike from side to side using the handlebar and steering to navigate rocks and roots and anything you might encounter.
I really hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Anyhow, jump onto the next video and let's see what else you can learn.